Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Neverhikealone mask, or a ghost Jason mask, as some people call it. What we're going to do is we're going to be cutting the top to make it more flat, because in the movie, it actually doesn't look like this. It's more like flat, like that, and it's not round on the top, so we're just going to cut that using some scissors. Alright, now you're just going to want to give that a white base coat of spray paint. So, yeah, let's do that. Guys, so after your base coat has dried, you're just going to want to get a damp rag and get some black paint. And you're just going to put it on there and then rub it in. Just a little bit. About that much. And then you're going to want to fold it. You're going to rub it in. And just wipe it all over the mask like that. And then, just want to keep doing that. Then you're going to wait a couple seconds. And then you're just going to want to dab on it. On a part that doesn't have the paint, obviously. And just try to gently try to rub it off. It might look something like this. And you can repeat that as many times as you want until you get the look that you're looking for. Me personally, I'm probably going to do it maybe one more time just to get a really dirty mask. But yeah, that's just my personal preference. So I'm going to do that one more time. Okay, this is what mine ended up looking like. Let's get some light over here. Maybe that's too much light. You can see it looks pretty dirty. So now we're just going to use some yellow paint. We're going to do the same thing, and we're going to put water on the rag, then we're going to rub it in, and then we're just going to put it on top of this. So yeah, let's do that right now. Now we're going to be using some almond spray paint. We're just going to spray that onto a rag or a sock and do the same thing as we did with everything else. This is what mine's looking like right now. Maybe if I move the light a little bit, it'll look better. That's what it's looking like right now. I'm just going to be mixing some black paint and some red paint. And we're just going to be using a paintbrush. And we're just going to mark all the dry blood or whatever they are, the scratches. And if you don't know exactly where they are, you can just look at some reference photos or clips from the movie. And yeah, that's how I'm gonna find out where they are. Alright, so I was about to say I was finished, but I just remembered that I have to do the blood coming from his mouth, because in the movie he actually gets hit by an axe and blood starts coming out of his mouth. And I almost forgot to do that, so I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, this is what the finished product is. And this is done with all the painting. Now we just have to add the extra stuff like foam covering the eyes and maybe some sponges on the sides to make it stick out like that. We'll see. So this is what the mask ended up looking like when I finished, and I think it came out pretty good.